So here I have a laser and I have a test tube filled with water and potassium permanganate. It is highly diluted, so you can see very slight pinkish color. So what I have here is I have a denser medium here in the test tube, and the surrounding is a rarer medium. Now if I use the laser and incident the light on the test tube, we will be able to see the path of ray or my laser light. So here we are. You will see that it is going, let me hold it is going straight, but if I start bending my laser, you can see the refraction also happening. You will see a very slight bend in the incident ray within the medium, the refracted ray. So now we have a denser medium and outside is a rarer medium. If I incident my laser light in such a way that the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then I can achieve total internal reflection within this medium. So let's achieve that and have a look. So here is my laser, my test tube, and here we go. You can see total internal reflection happening. I can keep changing my angle. So you can see I'm still getting it. I'm still getting it. And at this point, I am not getting. So now I am less than my critical angle. So I'm not achieving any total internal reflection. And as you can see, the light is passing through the test tube and actually hitting my hand. But if I keep on increasing my angle, now you see the light is not falling on my hand, but it is getting internally reflected. Of course, the test tube is spherical, so I have to be careful in trying to achieve it. Here we go. This can be also achieved with another solution, that is water and Dettol, but again highly diluted. And here we go. The same phenomena. When I incident perpendicular, you will see that it is going straight. And let me now start changing the angle. And here we are. Total internal reflection. As you can see, the light is not coming out of the test tube and not hitting my hand either. And you can see the rays going and hitting the boundaries. Beautiful image. And I can keep changing my angle. I can keep changing my angle, and you can see it is still internally reflecting. And if I keep on decreasing, I'll reach to a point where it will come out. As you can see now, it is hitting my hand because it is not getting internally reflected. The internal is the glass tube. Inside the glass tube, when I achieve total internal reflection, the light doesn't come out from the glass surrounding.